Hi everyone and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today I have a resin kit made just for beginners. So if you're looking to get into resin art, or if you know someone who's interested in resin art but just don't know where to start, then this is actually the perfect kit. So this was sent to me from Teexpert. You can get this kit on Amazon. I will leave a link to it down below in the description. So let's take a look at what's inside this kit. First, we have the resin. This is a 2-part resin, so you will need to mix 1:1 parts A and B. Each bottle is 4.4 ounces, so together we have 8.8 ounces. Here's an instruction book. It tells you how to mix the resin. Here are some pipettes. These are really good for adding swirls or little bits of color. We got some small measuring cups. There are 4 of them. We have a stack of these little cups. They have a little spout here so that it's easier to pour. We have 6 tubes of glitter, some gold and silver flakes. I just love the flakes. These are so beautiful. We have 7 bottles of pigment. You can see we have the most important colors, which are white and black. And then you can always mix it with these other colors to change their hue. Here's a packet of dried flowers, some stir sticks, a few pairs of gloves to get started, some tweezers, hooks for your earrings. Let's see, oh, these are necklaces and keychains. Here's a large coaster mold. This one has wavy edges, which is really nice when you want to make the little flower designs. We got some pendants. So here we have hearts and leaves and a moon. So you can do a lot with these. Oh, we even have a shaker mold in the shape of Mickey Mouse. And finally, we have some molds for earrings. So these are really cool. We got some leaf shapes. We got some teardrops, some squares. These are really pretty. All right, so let's get our gloves on and let's make something pretty. So we're going to start with these cups. I'm going to pour 20 milliliters of part A and 20 of part B in these cups. All right, so here's part A and here's part B. And what we're going to do is just pour one part into the other one. We'll slowly stir it until all the little swirls are gone. And just to make sure that we have all the resin from the other cup, we're going to pour this cup into the first cup. I'm going to do this a few times to make sure all the resin is properly mixed. Once the resin is mixed, I'm going to separate them into 2 cups. In the smaller cup, I'm going to add green pigment. Give it a good mix. Just for fun, let's add some green glitter too. In a larger cup, I'm going to add gold flakes. All right, now we're ready to pour. Alright, so this is what it looks like so far. We're going to wait 24 hours for it to cure. And these colors might shift a little bit because right now it's still very viscous, so the green might move around. So we'll see what it looks like tomorrow. Alright everyone, so it's been a day and we are ready to demold. And oh my goodness, this looks so good. So here are the teardrops. Oh, and take a look. Isn't this gorgeous? This is so pretty. I love the glitter. Oh wow, these look really good too. I really love the gold flakes. And as you can see, there's still a bit of separation between the green part and the clear part, which is what I was going for. And I think it makes it look very elegant. Here are the rectangles. And here are the circles. Here are the little ovals. I think these can be studs. And here are the circles. And these are a little bit on the thick side, so if you want them to be thinner, you can just pour a little bit less resin. And here's another set of circles. Alright everyone, so here's everything that we made today. Wasn't this easy? So if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!